Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I needed to tell you about my favorite essential oil blend. It's by Plant Therapy. It's called Germ Fighter. I've bought this before, but I needed to buy the bigger one, 3.3 ounces, because I love it so much. I use it to make an all-purpose cleaner. So to make this all-purpose cleaner, I'll pour about a cup of vinegar into an amber glass bottle, and then I'll add around 30 drops of the Germ Fighter, and then I'll add another cup of water. I find it works really great. It smells really nice. It has a very clove heavy cinnamon lemon smell. I'll also add about 10 drops to a diffuser to help purify the air. Another thing I like to do is I'll add 1 drop to a tablespoon of carrier oil. If I'm feeling under the weather, I will massage it into the bottom of my feet before I go to bed. Then I'll add some socks, and I find that has really helped. So if you're looking for an all-purpose blend that has so many uses, try Germ Fighter. You will not regret it. I love it, and that's my point of view.